What's up, it's Investor Josh back again for another video. Almost every single day I upload a new video with what I think are the best cryptocurrencies and stocks to get invested in on today. I'm Josh, I've been trading for about 13 years in the stock market and I first invested in Bitcoin back in 2013. So if you want to learn how to make money, if you're here for just the entertainment value, because none of this is financial advice, please hit that subscribe button, scroll down, leave some comments if you want to be interactive, and hit the bell for notifications. And as I said, almost every single day I upload a new video. So today I want to talk to you about a coin that's been around for a little bit now, but it is an extremely popular coin and I think has not even come close to its full potential. It is VeChain, VET. It is looking nice currently, making nice movement. It has pulled back a little bit, I believe, over yesterday and a little bit over the past hour or so. We'll look into that. That's why it has pulled back. I've jumped on it. I got some more. VeChain, VET has good things happening around it. I'll let you do a bit of research into that. I like people to do some of their own research so they can't go the lazy way, so to speak, and just copy me or copy others. What I don't like to see is when someone copies someone, the charts start going badly, they lose some money, then they come back to that person and they basically accuse them of giving bad advice. That's why I am going to say this is for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice. I'm investing in VeChain. It looks good. We're going to have a look at it in a second. There's been some other coins, a little hype around a few other coins in the media lately, which I do like. I do like the, to put it simply, I like how much money they've been making people. SafeMoon and Elongate. Now these coins have been going crazy. Many people are invested in them. I'm not personally invested in them. I'm watching them very closely. Maybe I'll throw a little bit in them, but I don't know. There's a lot of massive upside to this, like financially, but there's also a massive downside. Something I want to probably branch out into though. I'm gonna throw in a little bit into those kind of coins. Obviously just in the hope of making those massive gains. But right now I'm feeling, as far as, because the market, let's be honest, unless you're in one of those coins that's been going out of control, or BNB looked very nicely today, don't get me started on that, I'll go into that a bit more. But unless you've been going into some of these things like SafeMoon and Elongate and so forth, which have been going nicely in recent times, over the past almost half a week now, I'd say, like the market hasn't been good for most people. It's been going down, it's been choppy, just now it's dropped even more. And it's a lot of the altcoins, you know, Bitcoin itself went down, came back up, almost all the way back up. Now it's dropping slightly as I record this video. But some people, I've seen a couple of people say they think the market's just dumping and they're out, see you later. They've taken what's left of their profits and they've gone. I don't see it like that. I think we are still in the bull market and it will continue for most of this year, if not into the next year. We're going to have these moments, I think. Anyway, let's check out VeChain. VeChain, you can see, is at 0.241491 currently. It is pulled back for the day, 3.8%, and you can see it's down 2.2 against the BTC. Scrolling a little further down, you can see a 7-day period, very nice. Even with this gives you a bit of an indication of how it's been going, because the market, as we all know, it hasn't been going that great for the past few days, but it's up 55% in those 7 days, which is great. 109% for such a coin that has such a name. You see tiny cap coins move 109% over the past 2 weeks. Many of them have, but not these upper I don't know, top 20, top 10 coins. A lot of them haven't moved that kind of percentage. So this has 156 over the 30-day period, and you got 6,388% over the year. It's a beautiful thing. I like it. I really do. You can see that chart. They say buy when the market dips, buy when the market's red. When it's red is when you buy. It's tempting to buy when something's green because it's going up and you want to jump on it and hopefully it keeps going up. Unfortunately, a lot of the time it only goes up a little bit more before it'll start pulling back, or as soon as you put money on it, it instantly pulls back, which has happened to me once or twice, and it's happened to a lot of people when you learn from those experiences. So as tempting as it is to FOMO in fear of missing out on something that's pumping, you got to change the psychology sometimes. So it is red currently. I think it's doing good. I think it's just an opportunity. You could dollar cost average into it. If you think it could drop more, maybe buy a little bit now, buy a little bit further down the road in a day or two if you feel like it. If you think it's gonna drop more. So this is VeChain. You can scroll down. You can check out, if you want to pause it, you can check out market cap, trading volume, and so forth. All important factors. 24-hour highs and lows and 7-day highs and lows. Also important factors. Check it out on CoinGecko. I use both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Also CoinCal is very useful. So that's a VeChain. Just picked up a little bit more of it. I think it's a decent opportunity, and that's where we're at. So that's VeChain. I think we're potentially in a good buying opportunity. So I bought in. It's not financial advice, it's entertainment purposes only. Please take a look at VeChain if you haven't already. It's in the upper echelon of the crypto stratosphere, and I think it's a well-known name. I think it's got a good project around it, and that's why and I think the dip's nice now as well. So I bought into it. VeChain. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I've also got a few links down below if you want to support the channel and get some free money. We have between 50 to 100 USD over at eToro. If you deposit, just tells me the battery was going below. If you deposit between 100 and 200 USD, so it's 100 for most of the world, and you get $50 free when you deposit and trade with that 100. And if you're in Australia here, if you deposit and trade with 200, you'll get $100 for free over on eToro if you use my link below. Also, if you know nothing about trading and you want to do a one-click copy trade, over at eToro I have stocks and cryptos. So eToro just has the top kind of higher market cap cryptos. You've got BNB, you've got Bitcoin, you've got Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, TRX, that kind of thing. Over at eToro, you can just do the one-click copy trade if you'd wish to do that. Also for Australians, we have coinspot.com.au, $10 worth of free Bitcoin. If you join up using my link for coinspot.com.au, free $10 worth of free Bitcoin. And if you just want to do stocks and have what I consider on a trading app for Australians built for the US stock exchange market, which is excellent, I use Stake as one of my other portfolios. So I have my public portfolio on eToro and one of my private portfolios over at Stake, and a great range of stocks to buy over there. You get one free stock when you use my link, either Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. You get one free stock when you use my link. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.